Would you survive a driving test with these learners? Watch till the end and test your driving knowledge. Because today, Prestige Driving School is bringing you the funniest learner moments and a test yourself driving challenge. Stay sharp and play along.
All right, let's start the engine gently.
Wait, which one's the brake again?
The other one.
If you've ever mixed up the pedals, we forgive you. But let's admit it, that heart attack was real.
If the traffic light just turned yellow and you're 5 meters away, what do? A. Speed up and pray. B. Stop safely. C. Close your eyes and hope for green again. Lock your answer in now. The correct answer is B. Stop safely. If you picked A or C, you might need to book a lesson with us ASAP.
Sir, I've been driving in my village since I was 12. I got this.
All right, show me how it's done. And that's why cones fear overconfidence.
You're parking on a hill facing upward. Which way should you turn your wheels? A. Straight ahead. B. Away from the curb. C. Toward the curb. The answer is B. Away from the curb. If brakes fail, it rolls away from traffic. Safety first.
They think I'm in F1 or what?
Just breathe. It's not a race, it's a lesson.
When road rage meets driving school, let's keep it cool out there.
All right, now it's your turn. You get 3 questions. Ready? Let's go. When approaching a zebra crossing, what must you do? A. Accelerate and wave. B. Stop for pedestrians. C. Honk twice and go. What does a blue road sign with a white arrow mean? A. One-way traffic. B. Turn only if you feel like it. C. Danger ahead. How often should you check your mirrors while driving? A. Every few seconds. B. Only during exams. C. What mirrors? If you got 3 out of 3, you're ready for your license. If you got 1 or less, maybe it's time to book a lesson with Prestige Driving School. Driving is serious, but learning it doesn't have to be boring. Like, if you laughed, comment your funniest driving mistake and subscribe for more epic lessons. Next, top 10 driving mistakes you should never make.